It's a danger to society. Have fun at work.
Oh,
Ooh. We'll have a chat to the lads. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Feed him, boy.
Hey guys, my name's Senior Constable Seal. I'm from the Queanbeyan Police.
Hey, I know you.
You know, we all almost have the same wheels. Like me and Liam do. And then you almost do.
I mean,
Yours just have little nipples on the end.
I've got two 205 16 Heelys. Is that a ball that I'm going to pop?
So today we're going to be going for a little drive and just updating you guys on what the plan is for the channel and where we're going with everything and what you guys can be seeing in the next few sort of months and everything like that. We'll be taking the mighty Lantry. But just have a go at the site here. All the clappers. We got the mount for the Elantra so that I can put my phone up and just have it mounted and we're good to go. You keen?
Yes, extremely.
Oh,
Pretty good.
so good. Yeah, you'll be seeing a bit of this pretty soon, boys. Picked her up a couple days ago.
Oh, Jesus. Tell them what's in the rear.
What's in the rear? Mighty little lock diff, mate. She's a manual, 2000 model. Look at the fucking door. It's a clapper. I'm not saying it's mint. Don't worry, it's not mint. It's fucked, alright? Yeah, I bought danger tape for it. Because it's a fucking hazard, mate. It's a hazard, bro. It's a danger to society. But yeah. Some fun is going to be had with that little thing while we slowly start to build this, because like I said in one of the previous videos when we were moving house and whatnot, as you can see there's a whole bunch of parts all through it, like Sparko seats and the whole front end, a bunch of interior stuff. I'm going to build a custom sort of dash and center console thing out of checker plating and whatnot. But yeah, we're just dropping in, saying hello to Ryan and whatnot.
Wait,
Zachary, mate, have fun at work. So these boys got a registered AU, just so you guys know.
do a burnout.
No, he'll get in trouble. He's a funny cunt, I swear to God. Just finished seeing Simone and Ryan. Now we're gonna head home and we'll we'll have a chat to the lads. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Can you just...
We're Dylan, you're gonna have to sit over that side if you want to get a shot.
Oh shit, bro. Fucking knee!
It's all going down. Oh, can you tighten that up? It's gonna move around and...
How do you tighten it up,
Twist
bro?
the back of it. Grab the ball and twist.
Yeah, which way?
That way. That way. Yeah. Is that working?
It definitely feels like it's getting tighter.
Hey, boys are on.
Dad!
Yeah!
Jesus Christ.
There we go, boys.
Oh yeah, let's go. KFC boys.
KFC boys.
Fuck, I want to see that AU.
Oh yeah. Soot. Soot. Soot.
Is that a VL over there?
Yes. Yeah, there's two.
Oh, that's so neat. Shit.
Feed him, boy.
This one's for you, kiddies.
Hold on, boys.
Go, cunt.
Oh, the mount works alright.
Got it!
What the fuck?
You fucking what, son?
You wanna go?
You wanna go?
After dinner
you to calm down back there.
Oh, what?
Go sideways.
Ah, the understeer.
That was understeer, bro. Whoa. Fucking watch out. The senior constable of Queanbeyan Police might come find you again.
Hey guys,
Good afternoon.
what's going on?
Not much.
My name's Senior Constable Seal, I'm from the Queanbeyan Police. I can see your mate's recording me. Looks like he's pretty clever how he's got his phone set up like that.
Oh,
Boys.
Too low, mate. Too low, mate. It's a little bit wobbly, eh? Oi, are you able to put it holds onto the fucking dash and doesn't move like that?
Oh, that's atrocious, eh?
Yeah.
Here we go, boys. Oh, fuck, there goes my phone. Nah! No.
Lift it up.
Yeah, hold on.
Hold on.
Just hold on, you know.
There you go.
How's that little fucking
Don't
boys?
remember anymore. Oi, fuck this Cleo.
Well, that's actually not fucking bad, eh? Ooh.
Yeah, get chopped, Cleo!
Fucking.
Gaps. Like, fuck you, bro. Go, son.
What are you talking
Oh.
Oh, don't you hate when you have to brake coming out of a roundabout? Because of the fucking shit dogs in front!
Fucking ramming, bro. Do it. You always get.
Well,
You might not have noticed, but I did just go flat foot.
Yo. No. Hey, Liam, have your sunnies.
hey?
Have your sunnies.
No.
Just wear it real quick.
No.
Why not?
No. I just got these motherfuckers back. It's too bright to be alive.
No, it's alright. I respect your decision.
Bro. Oh. Alright, boys. So, what
Yeah.
we've come in
Yeah.
towards.
Hang on. Thank you. You left me hanging and I was so upset.
Oh, I didn't even see
You're
brother.
fucking joking!
Alright, go on, man.
Oh, it's
Take-
ringing. It's
take-
fucking ringing.
take-
Woo. Holy you fucking chill, mate. You fucking chill.
Woo up. Woo up.
Wow.
Oi.
Oi, Suzuki
Is it a
Swift.
cheeky babe?
P-plater.
Swift?
Yeah, baby on board.
Ah, fucking Suzuki Swifts and P-plates, bro. Oh, you gotta give him the chop, but no love for the females, bro. You still got the chop.
Got the job.
Alright, guys, so we like fucking disappeared for a solid 6 months there. That was.
Oops.
Yeah,
there was-
Matt, what the fuck?
and there was no explanation. Because what happened was I was only supposed to take a 1 month break. 1 month. And then during that month, I was just like, I wasn't posting daily or anything. I was just chilling, getting shit gathered in my life, I guess you could say. I had some shit happen and I just had to fucking get my shit together, I guess you could say. And then within that month, like last week, I was starting to edit again. I had like 2 or 3 videos mid-edit. And then my computer, the motherboard fried itself. So the computer just died. And yeah, I tried fixing it. Like I tried getting new parts for it, a new motherboard, new RAM and all this shit. And spent a bunch of money on it and it still didn't fucking work. And then had some more like crazy shit happen. And then we, you know, as you guys have seen, we just moved house. And so a lot of my money and time and everything's gone towards that. And then I was finally able to get a new computer. I just outright bought a new one. And I did that by selling the Gold Falcon. As you guys might have been able to tell from that first video we posted back. I did get rid of it and I got the Elantra, the fucking Lantry that we're rolling in now. And I also got those 2 little KTMs that you would have seen a few clips of. Now if you go onto the second channel, some of you guys might not even know about this, but we have a second channel, GearHeadsOz Uncut. Check it in the description below. But there'll be a bunch of footage of us riding our bikes on that channel and just other like random stuff. But yeah, so I swapped the Falcon for this Elantra, so I had a daily to drive, and then those 2 motorbikes because I like motorbikes. And then I ended up selling the motorbikes for a total of $4,000 for both of them. And then I've used that money to buy a new computer to go towards moving house and making videos again. So yeah, now we're finally actually into it. Videos are going to be coming out like every week. There's going to be at least one video. I do want to get to the point where I can be posting like every other day, basically. Are you okay, my friend?
Don't mind me, I'm just looking at the tree surgery they're doing.
Tree surgery.
Yeah, fucking tree surgeon over here, mate. But yeah, so the fucking plan.
You're at a 7, bring it down to a 3.
The plan.
Come on.
Fuck up, Dylan. I swear to life.
Nah, let's keep going.
Alright guys, catch you in the next video. But yeah, so we're finally posting again. I'm just catching up on what we've done in the last few weeks since moving. So like the next video you're going to see is stuff from before what we're filming right now. So it might be a little bit confusing, but just hang in there. Shit's going to get lit, alright?
We'll get ourselves.
Bye, dude!
Fuck that!
And so you might have seen at the start of the video that VS Ute. That is going to be a series. We're going to set that up to do skids and a little bit of drifting. And eventually we're going to do a whole series on how to L67 convert your Commodore. Because that was one of the biggest things you guys have always asked me for because of the VS L67. But I started the channel after I built it. So now I'm going to do it with the Ute and you get to see the whole process. And so that's going to be one build going. And then we have Liam's Ute because Liam fucking lives with us now, boys.
Fucking oath.
We got to fix the front end.
Yeah, look.
Front end's a little bit pushed over a little bit.
Yeah.
Had some incidents.
Front left wheel copped a good kiss to the gutter.
Loves a bit of understeer, mate. But yeah, so we work on Liam's Ute as well. So you'll see a bit of that. We also have the Turbo VS. I know that's the main big one. There's a lot we can do right now, but there's still a lot I've got to spend to finish that build. So that build's going to be over like a few amount of months, but you will see that every now and again. You'll see us be doing like every time we work on that car, it's going to be sick.
Sorry,
Let me just say that.
We're going KFC.
Yes, we're going KFC, my bud.
Yes, sir. Cheers, Buck.
Almost forgot there, boys.
Oh fuck, now we're lost in that train, boy.
Every time we do a video on the Turbo VS, it's going to be sick. Just know that. So even if you don't see it for a little bit, just stay keen because it's still there. It's not going anywhere, and it's still definitely going to happen. It's just there's like a lot going on, and yeah, I've had to spend a lot of money on a lot of shit this past year. I would sit down and explain it, but that would be a really boring video. But I literally almost had everything to do the Turbo VS build before I had to move into the old house. Just some really retarded shit happened and I had to spend like fucking $7 grand on getting a caravan for 2 weeks and then moving house. But anyways, we're here now. Shit's lit. We got the boys, the big house, and shit's just gonna get so much better. We have so many plans, so much mad shit's gonna go down. So just stay keen and yeah.
Pieces.
Hi again. It's just some more things to talk about after taking the little baby down to his freaking drive-through fast food.
Cheers, bruh. I'm very thankful. I appreciate it.
Love you.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, so Summer Nats this year. GearHeadsOz is going to Summer Nats, but not me. The boys are going to Summer Nats. So Liam's gonna get footage, and Dylan's gonna get footage, and just all the boys that are going are going to get footage. I'm starting a new job literally like on the 16th of December. So I can't put in for leave. Like I can't take time off to go to Summer Nats that soon because I forgot to mention it when I was doing my job interview. So yeah, there's that. So the boys will be there. I cannot make it. I might be able to make it on one of the days, like the weekend days maybe. But yeah, there's that. And so let me know what you think, guys, because I'm thinking about doing like vlog style videos, I guess you could say, because there's a lot of stuff that like I want to film and like I think like you guys would like to see and shit, but some of you might not. So I don't know, I'm thinking about maybe putting vlogs on the second channel, or I'll try a few on the main channel, because it's still us doing car shit and just being dickheads. dickheads in general, and it's funny to watch.
Yeah, look.
Sort of like that half-an-hour video that we first posted back, where it's just all random shit. That was like, a lot of that stuff was saved from my Snapchat or Instagram or whatever, like that sort of fucking around, not specifically filmed for a video. So there's a lot of stuff that you guys could see that, I don't know, I've just thought you guys might not want to, but drop a comment below if you guys would like to see more videos of just random stuff in general and not just working on a car or like doing skids, you know, just funny shit in general. Another quick thing, since that video posted back, a lot of people have been talking about like the cops and my license plate being in the videos and like my face being in the videos and stuff. Most of the skids, like one of the biggest skids in that video where I was skidding the Falcon and going all down these windy roads and stuff, that's not even a public road. And yeah, just know I'm not just posting shit and not thinking about it. Like, I know it seems like I'm doing a lot of dumb shit, and I am, but at the same time I'm thinking about how it's going to be in the future as well. I'm not just like trying to get fucking views and be a dumb cunt on the internet. You know, it's actually going to go somewhere. So I've actually like thought ahead about when all this comes down on me. There is a very high chance, like obviously look at the things I've done, there's no way the cops are gonna, like, they have to at least try to fucking deal with me. So yeah, we'll see where that goes. And boys, we're bloody home.
You reverse park just so people how big your ding dong is.
Go.
Get in there, you truck driver.
Yeah, I love sliding big things in small holes.
That's very nice. Ooh, that pokes up on the fucking seatbelt.
Anyway guys, I hope you guys liked the video and like this style of in-car. I just figured this is more interesting than us just sitting down, talking shit, just sitting there doing nothing. At least we're, you know, rolling around, rolling around being spastics, and you just can witness it. So yeah, chuck a comment below, like I said, what you guys think about vlogs and whatnot. Don't forget to check out the second channel. I actually posted a video there like 4 days ago of us riding the bikes down in the paddock and just messing around. So yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Don't hit me. No,
Jesus Christ!